Welcome back to Smart Gadget Reviews, where I help you find gear that's actually worth your money. Today, I'm breaking down the top 13 best outdoor camping chair options that deliver comfort, strength, and portability for every type of outdoor adventure. Whether I'm relaxing by the fire, watching a game, or camping for days, the right chair changes everything. I'll walk you through standout features, real-world comfort, and who each chair is best for. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Number 1. Wildhiker Folding Camping Chair. When I want a camping chair that balances comfort, portability, and smart design, the Wildhiker Folding Camping Chair always stands out. This chair feels sturdy the moment I sit down, thanks to its strong frame and quality fabric. I really like the ergonomic seat shape, which supports my back during long outdoor hangs. It folds down quickly, making it easy to pack for camping trips, beach days, or backyard use. The breathable mesh panels help keep me cool even on warmer days. I also appreciate the built-in cup holder and side pocket for keeping drinks and essentials within reach. It's lightweight without feeling flimsy, which is a big win. Overall, this chair is a solid choice if you want reliable comfort, simple setup, and durability for regular outdoor use. Number 2. Fairwind 2-Pack Camping Chair. The Fairwind 2-Pack Camping Chair is perfect when I need comfort for two without sacrificing quality. What I love most is how generously padded these chairs feel, especially around the back and seat. They're built with a strong steel frame that feels stable and dependable every time I sit down. The wide seat design gives me plenty of room to relax, even for long periods. Each chair includes a cup holder and storage pocket, which makes outdoor lounging more convenient. I also appreciate how smoothly they fold and fit into the included carry bags. These chairs are great for camping trips, outdoor events, or just relaxing outside with a friend. If you're looking for comfort, value, and durability in a convenient 2-chair bundle, this set delivers. Number 3. Fairwind 450lb Camping Chair. Whenever I want extra strength and space, the Fairwind 450lb Camping Chair really impresses me. This chair is built tough, with reinforced steel frame that feels incredibly stable. I immediately notice the wide seat and tall back, which provide excellent support and comfort. The thick padding makes long sitting sessions much more enjoyable, especially during camping or outdoor events. I also like the heavy-duty fabric, which feels durable and easy to clean. The chair includes a large cup holder and side storage pocket, keeping my essentials close. Even with its strong build, it folds down easily for transport. If you want a camping chair designed for maximum support, comfort, and confidence, this one is a reliable option for serious outdoor relaxation. Number 4. Picnic Time Camping Chair. The Picnic Time Camping Chair is my go-to choice when I want comfort with a classic, reliable feel. This chair offers a supportive seat with just the right amount of padding for relaxed outdoor sitting. I like how sturdy the frame feels without making the chair bulky or difficult to carry. The fabric is durable and holds up well during repeated use at campsites, parks, or sporting events. It includes a convenient cup holder, which is always a must-have for me. Setup is quick and folding it back down is just as easy. The overall design feels practical and well thought out. If you're looking for a dependable camping chair that delivers comfort, simplicity, and long-lasting quality, this one fits perfectly into any outdoor setup. Number 5. Recline 4-Position Outdoor Chair. When I want flexibility and relaxation, the Recline 4-Position Outdoor Chair really stands out. I love being able to adjust the backrest to match my comfort level, whether I'm sitting upright or leaning back to relax. The padded seat and armrests make a noticeable difference during longer outdoor sessions. It feels stable and well built, giving me confidence every time I shift positions. The folding design makes it easy to transport and store when not in use. I also appreciate the smooth reclining mechanism, which feels solid and easy to operate. This chair is perfect for camping, beach days, or backyard lounging. If you enjoy customizable comfort and relaxed seating options, this chair adds versatility to any outdoor experience. Number 6. SUNNYFEEL 500-Pound Camping Chair.
The SUNNYFEEL 500-pound camping chair is my top pick when I need serious strength and comfort combined. This chair feels incredibly solid, with a reinforced frame designed for heavy-duty support. The wide seat and tall backrest give me plenty of room to sit comfortably without feeling restricted. I really enjoy the padded seating, which makes extended outdoor use much more relaxing. It also includes multiple storage pockets and a cup holder, keeping everything I need close by. Despite its strong build, the chair folds up easily and comes with a carry bag for transport. If you want maximum durability, spacious comfort, and reliable performance, this chair is built to handle demanding outdoor situations with ease.
Number 7. iClimb Ultralight Camping Chair. Whenever I'm packing light, the iClimb Ultralight Camping Chair is my favorite choice. This chair is incredibly lightweight, making it ideal for hiking, backpacking, or minimalist camping trips. Despite its compact design, it still offers impressive stability and comfort. I like the breathable fabric, which keeps me cool while sitting outdoors. The aluminum frame feels strong without adding unnecessary weight. Setup is quick once you get the hang of it, and it packs down small enough to fit easily in a backpack. It's perfect for travelers who want convenience without sacrificing reliability. If you value portability, efficiency, and smart design in a camping chair, this ultralight option delivers comfort wherever your adventures take you. Number 8. WildCall 3-Angle Camping Chair. The WildCall 3-Angle Camping Chair is great when I want adjustable comfort without complicated controls. I really like the 3 reclining positions, which let me switch between sitting upright and relaxing back. The seat padding provides good support, especially during longer outdoor sessions. Its sturdy frame gives me confidence, even when shifting positions. I also appreciate how smoothly the adjustment system works, making it easy to change angles on the fly. The chair folds neatly for storage and transport, which is always a plus. Whether I'm camping, fishing, or relaxing outside, this chair adapts to my comfort needs. If you enjoy customizable seating and dependable construction, this chair offers versatility for many outdoor settings. Number 9. NICE Double Camping Chair. The NICE Double Camping Chair is perfect when I want to share comfort with someone else. This love seat style chair offers a wide seating area that comfortably fits 2 people. I love the padded design, which makes relaxing together much more enjoyable. The strong steel frame provides excellent stability and support. It also includes a center console with cup holders, which adds convenience for drinks and small items. Despite its larger size, it folds down efficiently and comes with a carry bag for transport. This chair is great for camping trips, outdoor events, or relaxing by the fire. If you're looking for shared comfort and sturdy construction, this double camping chair creates a cozy outdoor experience. Number 10. 400-pound Oversized Camping Chair. The 400-pound Oversized Camping Chair is my choice when I want extra space and dependable strength. This chair features a wide seat and tall back, giving me plenty of room to sit comfortably. The steel frame feels solid and stable, providing confidence during use. I appreciate the padded armrests and seat, which add to the overall comfort. It includes a cup holder and side pocket, keeping essentials close at hand. Folding and transport are straightforward, thanks to its simple design and carry bag. This chair works well for camping, outdoor gatherings, or backyard relaxation. If you prefer roomy seating with reliable support, this oversized chair offers comfort without compromise. Number 11. Timber Ridge Camping Chair. The Timber Ridge Camping Chair stands out to me for its thoughtful balance of comfort and durability. The seat is well padded, offering excellent support for long outdoor sessions. I like the sturdy frame, which feels reliable and well constructed. The wide design gives me plenty of room to sit comfortably without feeling cramped. It also includes convenient storage pockets and a cup holder for easy access to essentials. Setup is quick, and the chair folds smoothly into its carry bag. This chair works great for camping trips, tailgating, or outdoor relaxation. If you're looking for a comfortable, well-built camping chair that handles regular use with ease, this one is a dependable option. Number 12. Northroad 300-pound Camping Chair. The Northroad 300-pound camping chair is a solid option when I want dependable comfort without extra bulk. This chair offers a supportive seat with a stable frame that feels secure. I appreciate the breathable fabric,
which helps keep me cool during outdoor use. The armrests are comfortable and the overall seating position feels natural. It includes a cup holder and side pocket, making it easy to keep drinks and small items nearby. Folding and carrying the chair is simple, thanks to its lightweight design and included bag. Whether I'm camping, fishing, or relaxing outside, this chair performs well. If you want reliability, comfort, and easy transport, this chair delivers practical outdoor seating.
Number 13. Mountain Tech Camping Chair. The Mountain Tech Camping Chair is my pick for simplicity and reliable comfort. This chair offers a supportive seat with a sturdy frame that feels stable during use. I like the straightforward design, which makes setup quick and hassle-free. The fabric feels durable and comfortable, even during longer sitting periods. It includes a cup holder for added convenience, which I always appreciate. The chair folds easily and fits into its carry bag without effort. It's a great option for camping, outdoor events, or casual backyard use. If you're looking for a no-nonsense camping chair that gets the job done, this one provides comfort, durability, and ease of use. That's a wrap on our top 13 best outdoor camping chairs. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway, a beach day, or backyard hangout, these chairs combine comfort, durability, and portability to make your outdoor experience unforgettable. From lightweight foldable options to heavy-duty feature-packed chairs, there's something for every camper and adventure lover. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for prices and more details on each chair. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss more top product reviews from Smart Gadget Reviews.